If you've lost access to your DAZN account and can't access your email, you can still recover your account by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the DAZN login page. Go to the DAZN website or open the DAZN app. Click on the login option to access the account recovery section. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the recovery process. Step 3. Enter your account information. You will be prompted to enter your account details. If you don't have access to your email, try using your phone number associated with the account instead. Step 4. Follow alternative recovery options. If you can't use your email, DAZN may offer alternative recovery methods such as sending a verification code to your registered phone number. Follow the instructions provided to verify your identity. Step 5. Contact DAZN support. If you're still unable to recover your account, reach out to DAZN customer support. Provide them with any information they may need to verify your identity, such as your name, subscription details, or payment information. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your DAZN account even without access to your email. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact customer support for further assistance.